Rate card is the most valuable financial operation in the system before you start using this system. Rate card is being used to calculate the delivery charges for your merchants. Second, to calculate the commission of your agents. Third, to calculate the commission of your riders. You have to create 3 different rate cards for each merchant, agent and riders to work properly with this system. To create that rate cards, first you have to go to the rate cards section in the main menu, and first you have to create the merchant rate card here. In the merchant rate card, you can create multiple rate cards here as you wish. You can keep multiple rate cards and you can assign merchants for each rate card. Let's say, as example, if you want to give a good, like better rate for loyal customers and new customers, there should be a new rate card, like that. Practically you want to keep multiple rates for each customer's segmentations. To create a rate card, first you need to go to the add new button here. This is the anatomy of the rate card. In each rate card, you have to give a name for the rate card. Let's say this is new customer rate card. Right. In this section, you can see there is a section called linear rate card. This linear rate card means you can keep a flat rate for particular range of kilo. Then after that kilo, you can add a amount for each adding new kilogram. Supported delivery methods are per kilo and per order. If you selected the per kilo method, first you need to put the delivery margin. That means how much you will be collected and what is the first limitation of the delivery charge. For example, mostly you are charging first kilo a flat rate. After that you are increasing that amount. For the first kilo, as example, you can charge 300 rupees. After the margin rate, you can add 50. This means for the first kilos you are charging 300 rupees, and after the first kilogram you are charging 50 rupees for each kilogram. And in the second row you can see there is a return method that also supported per kilo and per order. If you selected the per kilo, the return charge margin will be 1 kilo and your return charge will be 250, and you can put 40 rupees for additional kilogram. Basically, this rate card is now per kilo rate card. This amount can be applicable for single zone or multiple zones. First, you need to select origin city of the rates. Mostly we are using from zone, which is the head office is located, and the destination zone will be another zone like this. This means from Colombo zone to Colombo suburbs, all the cities are calculated based on this above rate card. Let's say you have another zone which is the same rates applicable. So you just need to click the right green color button to add the new zone for the same rates. Here you have to select the zone and select the origin, and the destination zone you can see Greater Colombo. Now there are 2 zones is applicable for the above delivery charge. Now for this rate card, there can be another delivery charge for another zone. To create another rates, you have to go to the linear rate section. After clicking this add linear section button, you can see there is a new section to add your delivery charge. In here also you can put the margin and the margin rate and the rate for additional kilo. For the return method also you can put 1, 350 and 45 rupees for additional kilo. What is the zones the above rates are applicable? First you have to select the zone and select the origin city and the zone. Let's say this is Gampa zone region. So these rates are applicable to the Gampa zone. As we show in the above section, if there is another zone which is applicable with the same rates, you can go to the new section here, put the origin zone and you can select another zone for same rate. Likewise, you can click and add multiple sections here to create your rate card for per kilo orders.